things and towards what they should be. So don't let no one be allowed to take us back years in history. Because then those who believe in God, what will you tell God? That where were you? Where were you when you allowed thugs to take over a country and run it down and kill people? Well, I'm challenging those who believe in those things. I will not tell you which side I'm on, but I think those who believe in this accountability after life, you should really make sure you do the right things, like these ones I'm talking about, so that when you are there and you are being asked to account. For me, I'm prepared with my notes in my pocket. When they say, hey, what did you do? I say, sir, this is what I did. I apologize for my shortcomings, but I think largely there is something I will show for it. Remember this whole journey. Remember your responsibilities individually and collectively, and do yourselves and your nation proud.
Barabihanangirije kuva kera, turaza kubihanangiriza n'ubu ngubu. Bakongera mu kanya bati ntabwo tubemerera ko mugira mutya, ariko tukabaza ariko mu babandi mwadushinzwe nande? Abanyarwanda ko mwemera Imana, Imana koko yashinze u Rwanda aba bantu mureba.